We want to help you by selecting the best products.
November selection. Top 3.
Philips Smart Sleep Wake Up Light Colored Sunrise and Sunset Simulation 5. Natural Sounds FM Radio and Reading Lamp Tap Snooze HF 3520/60. White. Its approximate price is $99.
More details for your purchase in the video description.
Top 2.
Wake Up Light Sunrise Alarm Clock for Kids Heavy Sleepers. Bedroom with Sunrise Simulation Sleep Aid Dual Alarms FM Radio. Snooze Nightlight Daylight 7 colors 7 natural sounds ideal for gift. Its approximate price is $48.
More details for your purchase in the video description.
Would you like us to make a video of a product? Let us know with your comments and support for the channel. Top 1.
Nightlight Bluetooth Speaker 5-in-1 Touch Control Bedside Lamp Dimmable Multicolor Changing Bedroom Alarm Clock Best Birthday Gift. Ideas for 10, 11, 12, 13, 14-year-old teenage girls, boys. Its approximate price is $42.
More details for your purchase in the video description. We hope we have helped you. If you would like us to update this or other reviews, let us know in the video comments.